particular lesson is on kidneys. So many kids have mums or dads who clean up after them. But did you know that you have body parts that clean up after you too? Your two kidneys are very important organs in your body. Without them, you could not survive. They clean your blood and get rid of waste that your body produces. To find your kidneys, slide your hands up from your hips until you feel your ribs. Then put your thumbs on your back. You cannot feel them, but that is where your kidneys are located. Each is about the size of your fist and has a funny shape. Kidney beans were named after them because they have the same shape. So you can see a diagram on the right-hand side. That's roughly what the kidneys are shaped like. The main job of the kidney is to filter your blood for anything your body does not need. The kidneys make this waste into urine, which is then sent to your bladder. The bladder is like a storage pouch that can expand. When your bladder starts getting full, you feel the urge to go to the bathroom. Sometimes the kidneys do not work like they should. People usually can survive on only one kidney, so long as it is healthy. If only one kidney becomes very sick, a doctor can remove it. Other people need a special machine to clean this blood. This is called a dialysis. Sometimes people need a kidney transplant. That is when another person donates a kidney to put into the sick person's body. Keeping your kidneys healthy is easy for most kids. Just pay attention to when you feel thirsty and make sure you have plenty to drink. Have a look at this again. Your kidneys will follow this up in much more detail in our next class. But in the meantime, you've got a few questions to answer. Good luck.